In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Judge.me reviews on your Shopify store. Whether you want to build trust with new customers, increase conversions, or simply showcase real feedback on your products, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Product reviews play a huge role in online shopping decisions, so setting this up correctly can really help your store grow and look more professional. Ready to get started? First, open your Shopify admin dashboard, click on the search bar and type in Judge.me product reviews. As you type, several apps may appear, so be sure to select the correct one named Judge.me reviews. Clicking on it will take you to the app's main page, where you can see details about its features and how it helps collect and display customer reviews. Now, on the Judge.me app page, click the Install button. Shopify may ask you to confirm the installation. Go ahead and approve it so the app can connect to your store properly. The installation usually takes just a few seconds, but depending on your internet speed, it might take a little longer, so be patient. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged in as the store owner or have full admin permissions. Ensure your products are already added to your store, and double-check that your theme is published. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent setup issues later on. Once the app is installed, it will open automatically inside your Shopify dashboard. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to connect Judge.me with your products and enable reviews. After that, you should be able to start collecting and displaying customer reviews without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to review the basic settings and enable automatic review requests. Taking this extra step helps you gather feedback consistently and keeps your store looking trustworthy. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to install Judge.me reviews on your Shopify store, easily and efficiently. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same situation. Why not make someone's day a little easier? And as always, if you want more clear step-by-step tutorials like this, keep an eye out for future videos. Happy selling, and I'll see you next time.